Want to earn money fast? Well, this video is for you. In just a matter of seconds, you can make money with a few simple steps. It's so simple that you can do it on any device, be it your phone or your computer. It's free, no investments needed. It's also available in all of the countries around the world. There are a bunch of people from across the globe making it happen with this technique. And if they can do it, then so can you. It's the easiest thing to start stacking greens and having so much time in your hands. Make sure you watch all the way until the end of the video, because if you don't, then you might not fully understand and get the strategy, and you'll end up setting yourself up for failure. If you choose to go down that path, you'll certainly not make money, and in a quick amount of time as well. Hey there! Welcome back to another money-making video from Investment Spot, where we teach you guys how to go from earning nothing to earning money as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload new and trendy money-making videos. Also smash that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. Now let's start making money. In this video, I'll be showing you how just by drawing and painting with simple lines on top of images, you can earn money in just less than 30 seconds. Go onto this website called peopleperhour.com. I'm probably sure that most of you might have heard about this website before. I've also mentioned this in my previous videos if you watched them. On this website, head on over to the search bar and select Search Offers. From here, go on to the search bar found in the page, and it'll bring you to and type in the keyword background removal. You can see tons of offers available with different payment amounts being shown for each offer. You can choose any of this and get started. All of these are potential clients with opportunities for you to earn money, as you can see the amount of money they're charging for every project. The concept here is really simple. There are a lot of people, mostly from small companies, that are looking to remove the background of certain photos for their use. Say for some of these photos, they want to remove the background and just want to keep the image of the model. Usually, these people don't have the resources or employees to do the job. That's why they go onto websites such as peopleperhour.com, and they hire different freelancers to do it for them. It's actually pretty simple and easy if you know the right tool to do it. You don't need any graphic design skills, you don't need any technical skills. However, you can get it done in less than 30 seconds. Don't worry, I'll show you examples and I'll walk you through exactly how to do this. So stay tuned, let's get started. Going back to the page with the offers from searching using the keyword background removal, you can see so many clients. Let's try and choose one. As you can see, it shows us the service needed, and if you scroll down below, you can see there are real customers leaving legitimate reviews. This just proves how real this is and how efficient it can be in making money, as it is true right here on peopleperhour.com. By simply removing the background, you can earn money up to 2 to 3 digits. With just one picture, you can earn money of 2 digits. What more if you can make it with a lot of pictures? That's actually one of the best ways to make money online right now. Moving forward, let me show you the second bonus website. You can see here the rate of offers for simply removing backgrounds of images. This website is called guru.com, which is also a similar freelancing website as that of People Per Hour. Clients can be from anywhere in the world, like Bangladesh, Russia, Ukraine, Romania, and many more. Connections can be made as well into the other countries such as the Philippines, Nigeria, United States, United Kingdom, and so many other different countries. Going back to guru.com, you can simply search for background removal, but here, you can find different freelancers in for the exact same thing by offering their background removal services on this site. So this is actually another bonus stream of income that you can build up here on guru.com. Now given this, you probably might be eager to finally know and learn how to pull this off without the skills and expertise, hoping to also have it the easy way. To really make this happen, you'll be needing a free tool and software to do the job for you. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new money-making videos for you guys. Now let's get back to the video. This is where clippingmagic.com comes in. Basically, what this online software does is that it can magically remove the image background automatically. They use a very high-tech system to do it for you, and it is absolutely free. No investment is needed. All you really need to do is just drag your image right here on top or click on this to upload an image. You can totally do this on your phone, you can do it on your computer. It doesn't even matter which device you prefer or are comfortable with. It's all up to this software, and this software will automatically help you to remove the background. So going back to the step-by-step procedure, once again, you just click on this button over here that says Upload Image and select any image you want to upload from your device. Once it's finished uploading, it will show you this page. Now what you want to do is click on the green button found right here on the top left corner and proceed to just draw or paint this green line over the part of the picture you want to keep. This basically is for the image in the picture that is meant to be the main subject. Once you're done, head on to the red button just found beside the green button from earlier. With this, start drawing or painting the red line over the part of the picture that we do not want to keep. This means that the red button is for the supposed background and other elements within the picture that we want to remove. It's so quick and easy, and it'll last for just around 30 seconds to do this. You can see that the original picture is on the left, and the picture that we've been drawing or painting on. On the right, you can see the resulting picture, or basically the picture with the background removed. Once you're satisfied with the results, click on the download button found on the menu aligned with the green and red buttons from earlier. Download it to your phone, computer, or whatever device you are on. Afterwards, you can send the picture to your clients as per their offer, either on peopleperhour.com or on guru.com, whichever website you took the offer from or whichever website you are working on. We can try another example. As you can see, we've already uploaded this other picture. We click on this green button, draw this line over the subject or main center of the picture, and just like that, we seem to have filled it in all the way as much as we can. We head over to the red button, click on that, and start drawing lines over the background and the other areas surrounding our main subject for the picture. As you can see, we have the resulting image reflected on the right side of this page. We seem satisfied with this result, so we proceed to download the new image. It's that easy. That's exactly how lots of people who are on these freelancing websites, specifically for delivering projects similar to this one, make money online. In less than 30 seconds, you've just earned yourself money. With just a few more clicks and dragging of your cursor, you're surely in for a treat for more greens. There's another online software available called RemoveBG.com, which also helps in removing unwanted backgrounds from pictures. It's 100% automatic and free. This option is actually way faster than ClippingImage.com, as it can literally take you only 5 seconds to do so. All you have to do is click on Upload Image, choose an image from your device that you would like to work on, and just wait for a few seconds as it automatically does the job. After just a few seconds of loading, you can see that they present the resulting picture. All you have to do is click on Download and voila, you're done. All there's left to do is send this over to your client and collect your payment. It's faster and easier since you don't have to draw any lines over the pictures. You can even download a high-definition version of the resulting picture, as there is an option for this as well. Between RemoveBG.com and ClippingImage.com, RemoveBG.com seems like the better option as it is a faster and more convenient website than ClippingImage.com. And that's a wrap. You can now start earning money easily from your home. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video. I'll see you next time.